Both the TF Bank and Advanzia Bank offer a totally free Mastercard Gold credit card with no annual fee in Germany. TF Bank offers the TF Bank Mastercard Gold, while the Advanzia Bank offers the Gebührenfrei Mastercard Gold credit card. In this video, I compare the two Mastercard Gold credit cards and provide information about their important conditions, advantages, and disadvantages. By the end of the video, I will tell you which of the two credit cards is better suited for you. To begin with, let's talk about the credit cards. Both the TF Bank Mastercard Gold and the Advanzia Bank Gebührenfrei are known as revolving cards. This means that they are actual credit cards with a credit limit, and you have the option of choosing between two repayment plans. You can either pay off the monthly statement in full, which will remain interest-free, or you can pay it in installments with gradually decreasing interest rates. I will provide details about interest rates later on in the video. Annual fees. TF Bank does not require any annual fees, and there is no minimum turnover required. Similarly, the Advanzia Bank's Gebührenfrei credit card does not charge any annual fees, and no turnover is also required in this situation. Credit card acceptance. Mastercard offers a high level of acceptance throughout the world in various stores, service providers, and ATMs. As mentioned earlier, both of these credit cards are real credit cards and are widely accepted in most companies, both domestically and internationally. In contrast, debit cards may not be accepted at all rental companies, causing potential issues. Please hit the like button if you're getting value from this video and consider subscribing. Let's talk about cash withdrawals. With the Mastercard Gold, cash withdrawals are free of charge worldwide. However, with the TF Bank credit card, while there are no foreign transaction fees or foreign currency fees, the credit card is not suitable for cash withdrawals, as interest is charged from the first day of withdrawal until the credit card is settled. The amount of interest will be discussed later on in the video. Similarly, withdrawals are initially free of charge with the Advanzia Bank, and there are no withdrawal fees for foreign use or foreign currency fees worldwide. However, interest is charged from the first day of withdrawal until the settlement. One thing to notice here is that even though cash withdrawals are free of charge with both the TF Bank and the Advanzia Bank credit card, some banks have their own withdrawal charges, so please check the ATM machines before withdrawal. Card payments. The TF Bank Mastercard Gold can be used worldwide for payment free of charge. There are no additional costs such as foreign currency fees. Unlike cash withdrawals, no interest is charged for card payments if you pay the credit card bill in full before the due date. The Advanzia Bank Mastercard Gold can also be used worldwide for payments free of charge. There are no foreign currency fees, and all payments also remain interest-free if you pay the card on time and in full. Interest rate. At the TF Bank, an effective annual interest rate of 22.96% is charged if you do not settle your credit card payments in full and pay in partial amounts. Furthermore, interest occurs in the same amount if you use the card for money withdrawal, regardless of whether the settlement was paid in full or not. So only card payments that are paid in full with the monthly credit card settlement are interest-free. At the Advanzia Bank, the effective annual interest rate is 22.89%. As with the TF Bank, interest is charged if you use the installment facility. Cash withdrawals are also subject to interest from the first day of withdrawal. Here, only card payments that are paid in full with the credit card settlements are interest-free. Interest-free payments. If you do not use the TF Bank Mastercard Gold for cash withdrawals and always pay your monthly bill in full, you have an interest-free payment period of up to 7 weeks. The same applies for the Advanzia Mastercard Gold. If you do not use it for cash withdrawals and always pay the monthly bill in full, you have an interest-free payment period of up to 7 weeks. Remember, there is no auto-pay option available, meaning that you have to pay your invoices manually. So please do not forget it, otherwise you will have to pay high interest rates. Credit limit. The credit limit that you receive from TF Bank is granted individually based on your credit worthiness. Over time, the credit limit can be automatically increased if there are no payment delays. Unfortunately, it is not possible to keep the card in credit to increase the credit limit. Similarly, with the Advanzia Bank, the credit limit is determined individually and can also be subject to automatic increase if the credit card account is properly managed. Again, it is not possible to transfer credit to the credit card to increase the credit limit. With both cards, you can apply for an increase in the credit limit, but with the Gebührenfrei credit card, the initial credit limit can be as low as 100 euros depending on your registration, which I will discuss later on in the video. Contactless payments. With both the TF Bank Mastercard and the Advanzia Bank Mastercard, you can make contactless payments without a PIN or a signature for amounts up to 50 euros. With the TF Bank credit card, you can use Apple Pay as well as Google Pay. On the other hand, with the Advanzia Gebührenfrei credit card, you can use 3 services: Apple Pay, Google Pay and Garmin Pay. The payment release is made simply by the security function of your mobile phone, such as Face ID or your secret code. So in this category, if you have a Garmin smartwatch, you might be better off with the Advanzia Bank Gebührenfrei credit card. Insurances. Both credit cards offer free travel insurance, which is especially interesting because the credit cards come with no annual fee. TF Bank Mastercard Gold travel insurance includes foreign travel health insurance, cancellation insurance, trip interruption insurance, baggage insurance, flight and baggage delay insurance, personal liability insurance and accident insurance. With the Advanzia Bank, you get travel luggage insurance, travel cancellation insurance, travel health insurance, travel accident insurance and private liability insurance for abroad. For all insurances, there is a deductible of 100 euros in case of damage, and in order to get the protection, you must have paid at least 50% of the travel price with the credit card. Registration and approval. This is probably the most important distinguishing factor between the two free credit cards that you can get in Germany. To get the Advanzia Bank Gebührenfrei credit card, you only need a valid German address and a mobile phone number to get started. While for the TF Bank Mastercard Gold, you already need a valid German ID document to get started. This can be a hindrance if you have just arrived in Germany. Let's talk about both of the banks. TF Bank is Swedish internet-based bank offering consumer banking services and e-commerce solutions. The TF Bank was established in 1987 and has been listed on the Stockholm Stock Exchange since 2016. TF Bank conducts banking operations in Germany, Finland, Estonia, Norway, Poland, Austria, Denmark, Lithuania, Latvia, in addition to its headquarters in Sweden. Advanzia Bank, located in Luxembourg, is a digital bank operating in Europe. It provides deposit accounts and credit cards with no fees to individual customers, as well as co-branded credit cards and credit card solutions for businesses throughout Europe. Both of the banks are quite established, so you do not have to worry about their legitimacy. So which credit card is better? The Advanzia Bank Gebührenfrei or TF Bank Mastercard Gold? When it comes to choosing between the two Mastercard Gold credit cards, Gebührenfrei Mastercard Gold and the TF Bank Mastercard Gold, the conditions are hardly different. However, the TF Bank does not offer Garmin Pay, which is available on the Gebührenfrei Mastercard Gold credit card, which is also easier to register. On the other hand, the TF Bank credit card offers better insurance and has more cashback options. In terms of appearance, the TF Bank Mastercard Gold is more attractive as it looks more premium and is not immediately recognizable as a regular gold credit card. It's important to note that with both of the credit cards, it is essential to avoid cash withdrawals at the ATMs and to pay the credit card settlements on time and in full, as interest rates can be charged otherwise. If you want to see my review of both of these credit cards, click or tap here, and if you want to check out an alternative, you can watch this video. So thanks for watching, bleib gesund, and I'll see you in this video.